Now let's look at how you edit these pages. For example, the About Us page, you have details about your district union and what the district union does. So how do we edit? How do you edit the details in those pages? Let's close this one. So remember, we started with updating, then we went to the posts, that is for the news and events. So this time what we are going to do, you're going to come to pages instead of posts. You come to pages because we are going to make changes to the specific page. We're going to make a change to specific page. So I want to click on pages. Click on pages. Okay. So when you do that, you'll see all the pages that we have created on our website, all of them. So you see like the About Us page, you see the contact page, downloads, which has our downloads, the home, which is our front page, also the first page, news and events, where our events are, the projects, where our projects are, then what we do, where the details about our union is. So if you want to make changes to the About Us page, you come to pages, you look for About Us. Okay, that's the first thing, you look for About Us. Now, when you do that, you're going to now have these different options like quick edit, trash, view, there's a duplicator, and then edit with Elementor. So what you're going to do, you're going to select this one here, which says edit with Elementor. Elementor is our page builder. It is that which is helping us to build the site. So you're going to select edit with Elementor. So it is loading. So now it's going to load for us our About Us page, okay? Element, and then it will also give us the strength or the functionalities to what to make the changes or to make the edits that we are required for each page. Each page. Okay. So this is how it is going to look like. Now it says that our About Us page has this. It talks about Moroto District Union. Maybe it can be in PG. It is any, and then it will give you the details about the union. Maybe it is the foundations, the history, giving you the mission, vision, the core values, and any other information that is regarded for the union. Now, for example, to change this information here, you said this is not our information. But you've now typed your information. Right? You come back to your Word. You've typed the history and what, of course, is about the website. I mean, your district union. So maybe history, governance, things like that. When it was started, what you do. You finish to type that in Word. You do the same way as we did in our post. You type it down properly in your Word. What you now come and highlight everything that you want. Copy. When you're done, you now come here. So when you've now loaded your About Us page, you're going to look at this. When you hover or you highlight on this section here, or any of these ones, you'll see that there's a small pencil to your To your top right. Click on that, and then it will give you this editor, the same editor that we had for the post. Okay, so these are the details that are inside that editor. When you delete them, they will also go from here. See? whatever that I delete also goes like that. So you can select everything, edit that. Now you bring in the other work that you've copied from Word and you paste it there. Right click and paste, or just press Ctrl V. So that is how you'll be able to add. So you can either do that, or you can even type. When you click on this here, so these are the information that we have just pasted. You can now see it's more. Or you can even just press enter on your keyboard and then you type the details that you want if you have there. But of course, this method here takes time. It is always better for you to type it out in Word and then you just come and paste it here. So when you're done with that, you come and publish. There's this top pink part here that says publish. Okay. If you don't publish, the changes will not be made. The update to that page will not be made. So whatever thing that you change here, you publish at the publish like that. So when you're finished to publish, you can now see that it is no longer active. It is no longer highlighted. Okay. So when you come back now to your About Us here, click About Us. So when you now click on About Us, you will now see that you've added all of these other paragraphs, which was not there. So these are the information that you've added from your back end or from this page here, the About Us page. For example, maybe you wanted an image first. You say that Moroto district, but you first want the image. Maybe it is the picture of your office. Okay. What you do, you come here to the top right. There's a small plus here. Small plus icon here. It says add element. Add element. Click on it. So when you click on the add element, it will give you different elements or different features that you're able to add. For example, this heading here was brought using this element of heading. If you want to add an image, you can also put the image there. You want to add a video, you add the video there. You want to add maps, you add the map. You want a form, you add the form, like that. So there are different elements here that you're able to add. So you said you wanted to add the image. So what you do, you click on that plus to bring for you all of these elements. Now you're going to just drag and drop. Drag and drop. So you left click on the element that you want to add, left click on it, and you see it is highlighted like this. Make sure that your finger is still on the left button, and then now you drag it where you want it. So when you drag it like this, it will now show you that hey, you want to drop it here. So we are going to drop after our heading. Okay. Let's do this again. Image. Okay.